Hey everybody, it's Todd with Blackstone, and I just wrapped up the 2021 Griddle More Tour. It was amazing. 25 cities. We started down in North Carolina where super fan Daniel Anderson hooked me up with this cool t-shirt. So I wanted to shout out all the amazing people that came out to visit us. I received so many gifts and people drove all over the place. We went to Virginia, Pennsylvania, West Chicago, we were in Indiana, up in Michigan, and we had a blast. So if you were one of the people that visited us this year and blessed us, definitely share your pictures, share your videos, and give us the hashtag GriddleMoreTour because we want to give it a like and we want to share it too. And we'll see you next time on the Griddle More Tour.